Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix Meta AI's sound problem easy and quick. To fix this problem, just follow and watch this video till the end. Directly go and open the settings of your mobile phone. Click on apps option right now and search for Meta AI and click. So guys, here scroll this list down, click on storage and click clear cache. After that, you just have to back, click on for stop and click OK. Directly go to your Play Store or App Store and update Meta AI. Restart here your device and that's all. Don't forget to like, also subscribe and bye.